These are mistakes that I see a lot of photo booth owners do. So watch this video and you guys don't just listen to me, please. I'm trying to make sure you guys don't make these mistakes. I see it all the time and it's what's killing people's businesses. The first thing that's killing their business is you're not giving your business the proper time that it needs. I'm not talking about just thinking about it or wishing. I'm talking about action. I'm talking about trying to build leads, trying to, improve your business somehow. We're talking about building. I'm not talking about thinking, right? Action. If people message me and they're like, hey, it's not working out. And I'm like, how much time a week are you putting towards your business? Oh, I posted a few times. Well, guess what? You're going to fail. Absolutely. You have to put the proper time into it. Am I saying it's going to take you 40 hours a week? Absolutely not. I know plenty of operators clocking in 5 hours a week and they're crushing it. But you'll be surprised, 5 hours, you got to track your time. So not only am I saying dedicate time, do time, track it and set goals. That is a huge one. If you're not setting goals, you're just leaving everything to chance. So there's something I think that is special about setting a goal. It's almost to me like a hack, and it shouldn't be a hack because it should be common sense, right? Set a goal. I'm not just talking about, I want to do 2 events a week or 1 event a week. I'm talking about a goal financially because the goal is going to dictate, right? Let's just say $1 million. You want to make $1 million a year with your photo booth business. Guess what? Now you understand, okay, well, if I want to do $1 million, I have to do 10 events a week. So guess what? Now you're going to start putting that time first thing I talked about, you're going to have to put time. You're going to realize that, hey, I've been putting 10 hours a week and I'm only getting 4 events a month. Well, now let's double it. Let's get it to 8 events a month. So that goal is going to be the catalyst for you to put the time to hit here. And again, this is something important, you guys. I say it on live all the time. Set a goal that some would think that is unrealistic. Set $1 million goal. Why not? Being realistic is the worst thing you can do because if you're realistic, guess what? If you hit those goals, what's so special about that? I mean, congrats. Yeah, you hit your goal. But if you have $1 million goal versus someone that has a $50,000 goal, if you come halfway short, you're at $1 million. And if that person hit 50,000 or even, let's just say they crushed it, right? And they got 70,000, you did better. So Grant Cardone, it's his book called 10X. That's something I really try to apply in my life and just multiply my goal. That way, if I fall short, I still crushed it. And if I hit it, again, that's awesome. So another thing that is killing your business, you're relying on just a few ways to get leads. I see it all the time. And look, if you don't have time to spend on your business to generate leads and get cash flow into your business, you're gonna have to spend money, right? Whether it's ads, whether it's hiring someone to do the sales pitches to you. But I think if you're in a place where you can do both, you will kill it. And what I love about having money is you can pay people to spend their time to get you those leads. You can hire someone, a sales rep, to do the networking, to basically be in charge of building your brand. But a lot of people just, even like when I first started off, I didn't have a ton of money. I spent all my time networking, calling, writing emails, giving out free events and growing your business. I was willing to sacrifice. And a lot of people, and I'm talking to you, some of you aren't willing to sacrifice. And guess what? If you're not willing to sacrifice, nothing's going to come your way. And you have to be able to get your name out there. You're going to have to be persistent. You're going to have to be willing to learn things that you think are going to be difficult to learn. I'm not here to hype you guys up and tell you that life is easy. It's not. You have to put the work in. So that is very important. And again, don't just try to, I say this all the time, but don't try to build your business by event. That's the thing I see everyone do, right? They just focus on trying to get one booking. Think bigger, think networking, think venues, right? Becoming a preferred vendor. Like, to me, that's more important than landing 5 gigs, 10 gigs. I would rather get in with one venue, do one event, become their preferred vendor, and have them recommend every single person having a party at their venue or an event my photo booth services. That is valuable long-term. So having that one connection to me is more valuable than 10 events combined, because that venue in the long term is going to give me way more events, way more higher end clients, because usually when people have renting out a venue space, they have money, right? Versus someone having a backyard party, you may barely just fit their budget, and they may never hire you again, right? Because they may be like, hey, this was just because we're getting married. Like, who knows when they're gonna have another event that is worth hiring a photo booth? Because let's be honest, the photo booth is the least important thing at the party. I hate being that guy to say it. It's true. It's true. Look, think about if you're having a party. Isn't the food more important? Isn't the music more important? Aren't the drinks more important? You get what I'm saying? Like, the photo booth is the least important thing. And I realize that. So focus big, right? Obviously posting in Facebook groups is great, but like if that's your game plan, like, you're gonna fail. Absolutely. So do everything, do it often, and treat this business like a business. Don't treat it like a hobby. Don't get hobby results. You want business-like results. Think big, you guys. Also, another thing I see a lot of people do that's killing their business is they're not upselling. There's so many things you can add to your business, like an audio guest book, or, you know, these little poles with the ropes, and add a premium red carpet style, and just really trying to pitch and get the most money you can from your customers into your pocket. It sounds bad when I say it like that, right? We're not stealing, but we're adding value. In return, we're getting money, right? So these are just some things that I think that are killing your business. I literally have like 10 other things I want to say here, but this is a part 1, and we need 50 comments in the comment section in order to make a part 2. Or wherever you're watching this, you got to comment 50 of them. I'll make the part 2. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless. Take care. See you soon.